Hi everyone and welcome to The Climate Scientist. Today we're talking about biodegradable plastic. You've probably heard of plastic. It's pretty hard to miss and it's all around us. Plastic is a material that has been created by science from what we call hydrocarbons. So you'll often hear the term fossil fuels. Well, that is essentially what we make plastic from. The other word that we use to describe a plastic is a polymer, which basically means a long chain of molecules. Our problem on our planet is that plastics that we create don't break down, or at least they take hundreds and thousands of years to decompose. This means that if we don't dispose of them properly, they end up in our oceans and our habitats across the world. And you'll often hear of plastic pollution. This is about us spreading plastic into places where it really shouldn't be and polluting our earth. So what can we do about our plastic problem? So one of the things we can do is recycle. Recycling is really important, and you've probably seen those recycle bins outside your house. Making sure that all the plastic that we buy and the food waste goes into compost or into recycled bins is really important to ensure that that plastic can then get made into something new. It's also important that we hold governments accountable to ensure that our plastic is being disposed of or recycled correctly. The second thing we can do is upcycle or reuse. Maybe you could try a new craft activity using a plastic bottle that you have lying around at home. We don't have to recycle everything. If we can make something good again, then that's even better. We can stop using plastics altogether, and there's so many amazing alternatives out there. Make sure that you're taking your plastic bags to the supermarket when you go shopping. Why not buy a reusable water bottle instead of buying a plastic one when you're out? Or taking that thermal mug with you the next time you fancy a takeaway coffee. These are small changes that can make a massive difference to plastic pollution and our plastic problem. The other solution, which we're going to be talking about today, is bioplastics and biodegradable plastics. As I said, the issue with plastic is that they don't break down very easily. So that's why we need biodegradable plastics. Biodegradable plastics are made from plants rather than oils and fossil fuels. This means that they are a lot more easily broken down. And today we're going to be doing a demonstration where I'll be showing you how you can make a biodegradable plastic from cornstarch. Biodegradable plastics are really important. Although what we do have to consider is that by growing some of these plants to create the plastics in the first place, there is still an environmental impact. It doesn't solve our environmental problems completely, but it is a lot better than using the fossil fuels and hydrocarbons to create non-biodegradable plastics. So let's go and make some biodegradable plastic of our own. Right, here we are. We're going to make some biodegradable plastic. So what you'll need a microwaveable bowl, so a bowl that you can put in a microwave, and make sure when you're doing the microwaving that you have adult supervision. Unless you're an adult yourself, then you probably don't need adult supervision. The other thing that we're going to need is cornstarch. As I said, we're going to make the plastic from cornstarch. So make sure you've got corn flour or cornstarch. The other thing that you'll need is some form of oil, vegetable oil preferably, and you'll also need some water. So let's make our cornstarch plastic. So the first thing to do is take your bowl and put in 1 tablespoon of your cornstarch. The next thing to do is add 2 to 4 drops of vegetable oil. Here we go. Probably a bit more than 4 drops. Then we want to add a tablespoon of water. And then we want to stir everything up. So give it a good stir in your bowl. Once that's mixed up, we want to go and put it in the microwave. I'll be back shortly. So once you've microwaved that for 20 seconds, you want to leave it to cool. And it should be looking a little bit something like this. I just moved it around with a spoon. And there we have it, our biodegradable cornstarch plastic. It's not like some of the plastics that you're probably thinking of, which are a lot harder. This is a lot more of a soft, squidgy plastic, and it's quite fun to play with. Hopefully you've had a lot of fun making your cornstarch plastic. Please comment below with how you got on. I'll see you again soon in my next Climate Scientist video. Thank you for watching. Bye.